Hello everyone and welcome to my ERP video in which today we are going to tell you the process of e-invoice. So as you all know that the government has made it mandatory that whose turnover is 10 crore or above than it, they are required to upload their e-invoices on the GST portal. And this is going to be applicable from 1st October 2022. So let's come and firstly let us know what is e-invoicing. And after it, we will know how you can upload your e-invoice on the GST portal. E-invoice. It is basically a process in which the supplier will upload his B2B invoices of credit or debit note of the export and registered party on the GSTIN portal, which is known as electronic invoicing, means e-invoicing. Now the supplier does not have to face any problem in filling the GSTR1 return. Along with this, his buyers will hand-to-hand get the opportunity to avail ITC. And as the invoice gets uploaded, then the supplier will receive an acknowledgement on behalf of the government. The supplier will also get the IRN, that is Invoice Reference Number, and in the same way, an acknowledgement will also be sent to the buyer. The purpose to start the e-invoicing by the tax departments is to ease the complete process of invoicing, so that it reduces all the reconciliation problems related to the data and to easily file the return, which will help the taxpayers to easily get the input tax credit. So now let's come and see its process. In order to upload your invoices on e-invoice portal, you need to firstly register on e-invoice portal, for which you will visit to einvoice1.gst.gov.in. Then from here, you will go to registration and click on e-invoice enablement. After that, you will mention your GSTIN. Then mention the CAPTCHA which is being shown to you here and click on go. So in this way, your details will be shown to you here. Then you will tick on the checkbox of I agree and click on send OTP. So an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. The OTP which will be received, you will mention that OTP here and click on verify OTP. So your registration process will get completed on e-invoice portal. After that, you will go to e-invoice portal. Click on login and then enter the username and password. Then mention the CAPTCHA as shown to you here and click on login. A dashboard will get open now from the menu which are given on the left hand side of the dashboard. You will click on API registration and from here click on create API user. So this API registration window will open in which it will be mentioned, do you wish to register your GSTIN for API interface directly or through GSP? So we will take on the circle of through GSP. Then from the drop down of select your GSP, you will select the GSP. And here we would like to tell you that we have a collaboration with Pinnacle FinServe Advisors Private Limited. So in the select your GSP field, you will select Pinnacle FinServe Advisors Private Limited. Then you will create a unique and a strong username and password as per your requirement. And then by re-entering the same password, you will click on the submit button from here. Then in this way, a pop-up message of account created successfully will be shown. You will simply click on OK. So in this way, we will complete the process of the portal. Now let's come and see its process in the software. And in Mark software, you can upload your single and bulk invoices on e-invoice portal. So firstly, let's come and see that how you can upload your single invoice on e-invoice portal. For this, firstly from home screen of the software, you will go to GST. Then click on GSTR settings. Then click on this e-invoice settings option. Here, we will set this e-invoice on F4 key for Y, A for ask and N for no field to A. This means that whenever you will generate the invoice, then the software will ask you whether you need to upload your e-invoice on the portal or not. Then is Y for HSN code, I for item wise and N for no field. This means that if you need to upload the invoice or invoices HSN wise on the portal, then you will set this field to Y. And if you need to upload your invoice or invoices item wise, then you will set this field to I. For now, we will set this field to Y, that is on HSN code. Then from the drop down of select your GSP field, you will select your GSP, that is Pinnacle. And then here in e-invoice login credentials, we will mention that username and password that we have created while API registration and then click on OK button. After that, let's come and generate the e-invoice. For that, we will go to GST menu and then click on this generate e-invoice option. Then in the period field, we will enter the date, that is from which date till which date of the invoices you need to view. And then click on the show button here. As you will click on show button, then by default, all the pending invoices of B2B, credit note or export will get displayed of the selected period along with the proper details like GSTIN, tax type, invoice date, invoice number, bill amount, etc. You can also set the filter here whether you need to view the pending, uploaded, cancelled or view all the invoices. Like we will select all. Then you can see that the invoices which are already been filed will get displayed with a tick sign in front of it. And the invoices which are not yet filed will get displayed as untick. After that, from these given 3 boxes here, you can select whether you need to view only B2B invoices or export invoices or credit note invoices, or you want to view the invoices of all of them. By default, all these 3 boxes are already marked with a tick sign which you can select or deselect as per your requirement. After that, if you select all in the filter field, then you can see what is the total count of B2B, export and credit note invoices. And along with this, the software will also show to you the count of pending, cancelled and filed invoices. So in this way, whatever filler you will set here, then on the basis of that, the number of invoices will be shown to you here. For now, we will select this invoice which we need to upload and generate it. After generating this, an e-invoice generation window will open where you can view the transaction details. You can view seller and buyer details also, and if you want, then by clicking on these edit icons, you can edit the details. After this, you can view the dispatch details, and if you want to include the dispatch details, then click on this checkbox. And similarly, here is the shipment details. You can also include and exclude it as per the requirement. And if you want to upload your e-way bills along with the e-invoice, then that facility is also provided in the Mark ERP software. You will simply tick on the checkbox of e-way bill which is shown here. Then a few fields of the transportation details will be shown to you which you will fill as per your requirement. It is mandatory to fill the current date and also the transporter ID or vehicle number. After filling the mandatory details, you will click on the Save button from here. Then you will click on Generate e-invoice, through which your selected e-invoice and e-way bill or bills will get uploaded on the e-invoice portal. And this kind of an alert message of an e-invoice successfully uploaded will be shown to you on the screen, along with the acknowledgement number and acknowledgement date. Now let's come and see how you can upload your bulk invoices on the e-invoice portal. For that, from the e-invoice summary window, you will tick on this checkbox and can select all the invoices and can upload it. Or whichever invoices you want to upload, you can click on the checkbox shown in front of those invoices. In this way, you can manually select those invoices and then simply click on this Generate button. Then this alert message of "Do you wish to upload bulk invoices?" will be shown to you. You will click on the Yes button to proceed. Now, in order to check if there are any error in those invoices which you are going to upload, then you can click on this check button. So this type of error status window will get open, in which if there is any kind of error in the invoices which are going to get uploaded, then all the errors will be shown to you in this error status window. Else, this window will be shown to you as blank like it is showing to you now. And to upload the invoices on the portal, you will click on upload from here. So the uploading process will get started, and like this, your bulk invoices will get uploaded on e-invoice portal. So friends, by following the process shown in the video, you can easily upload your single and bulk invoices on e-invoice portal. Thanks for watching.